Let's say hi. Mama also. Morning everybody, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So it's 29th of December 2021 and it's like the last 3 days of the year. It's holiday season, everybody is either vacationing or spending time with their family, friends. So I thought why not vlog the last 2 days because I'm sure 31st I will be a little caught up, or there might not be much different that is happening than 29th and 30th. So I thought let me just vlog 29th and 30th. This year has been extremely special for me. I finally got the courage to pick up my phone and start shooting videos and upload videos. I progressed each day. So I just have gratitude and lot of emotional connection to this year. I finally could start my YouTube channel Majumdar Coco Brewing. If you are watching my video for the first time, then do not forget to check out my channel. I am sure it has some of the other content which will cater to your liking. I'm a mother of a 3-year-old and I'm Bengali from Calcutta but born and brought up in Mumbai. And I married to a South Indian from Andhra Pradesh, Praveen. We are currently staying in Hyderabad. Now all this is a little bored for you if you're not watching my video for the first time, but I thought I should just say a little about me in the last video of the year. I always have this feeling कि अगर कुछ special हो रहा है life में तो ही मैं vlog करूँगी. If there is a special function or a special occasion or I am going out somewhere special, but I thought why not show what exactly my weekdays look like or how it has been from at least past 1.5 months. So the recent changes that has happened in past 1 month, and it's exactly been a month for Ved to start school. Yes, he has started to go to physical school. He is now in nursery. There is a school called Sprouts and it's an amazing school in High-Tech City area, Kondapur in Hyderabad. If you are considering for your toddler in Hyderabad, then definitely consider. And his school is 3 hours a day, starts from 9:30, goes until 12:30. So I get up in the morning, I take shower, Ved takes shower, I feed him breakfast and I drop him to school. The days I have a driver, I drop him in my car, or other days we just walk. Today was the day where you have seen we just walked to his school. And after leaving him in his school, I kind of start walking because this is the most tension-free, peaceful time of the day where I can do walking and listen to music. So I'll walk for an hour and a half now. So it's around 9:40 now और अब मैं अपना walking शुरू करूँगी. Honestly, day का कुछ भी plan नहीं है. So don't get disappointed if it's just a normal, simple vlog in my life, which is what I intend to do, because come 2022, I want this to turn into a vlogging channel of my daily life. I will definitely do content on healthy living, healthy eating, healthy baking. So let me know also in the comment section below what would you like to see more in 2022 from my channel Majumdar Coco Brewing. So there are very exciting updates that's coming in 2022 and do look forward. I really do look forward to those updates, and I will definitely update you guys as and when I move forward with those updates. I will take you guys through this journey. So stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe. I think this was too much rambling in the introduction of the video. Stay tuned and come along with my day. Okay, so now I am back from my walking. I think I finished around 10,100 steps. तो मैं ये कोशिश करती हूँ कि रोज़ मैं ये 10,000 steps complete कर लूँ 1 घंटे में, and उसके बाद जो भी मैं walk करती हूँ in the day, that's like a bonus for me. The time is around 11:15 now. मैंने आके 1 लीटर पानी पिया, so I was sweating like a pig. एंड थोड़ा सा ग्रीन टी पी रही हूँ एंड आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट बेकिंग अ कुकी नाउ. इट्स अ चॉकलेट कुकी, वेरी सिंपल whole wheat chocolate cookie with no white sugar, no eggs and stuff like that. I'm going to put the recipe of this chocolate cookie in the description box below. Make sure that you are checking your oven after 12 minutes because every oven is different. So इसके बाद मैं जाऊँगी वेद को स्कूल से पिकअप करने and then I'll see you guys after that. Vedu, hi. What is that?
Bye.
How was school?
So funny.
School was funny. Did you like school? मज़ा आया? क्या सीखा आपने स्कूल में आज?
Hexagon square.
हेक्सागन और स्क्वायर सिखाया? ओ माय गॉड. एंड व्हाट अबाउट लास्ट वीक? लास्ट वीक क्या सिखाया था टीचर ने?
Game सिखाया.
गेम सिखाया? ओह ठीक है. प्ले इन द पार्क फॉर सम टाइम देन वील गो होम फॉर लंच.
Bye.
So स्कूल के बाद I have just got Ved to the park for like 10-15 minutes because उसको ऊपर जाना नहीं होता है. एक बार तो पार्क आना ही होता है. उसके बाद हम दोनों लंच करेंगे and let's see what we do. So this is what my cookies look like. They're completely cooled. What I'm going to do is थोड़ा और cool होने के बाद मैं इसको एक airtight container में रख दूँगी. But I'm not going to give this to Ved right now because वो अभी स्कूल से आया है तो पहले lunch and this will be like his evening snack surprise. To Sarat City Mall now for my nails. So I thought because New Year's है so let's just treat myself a little. मैंने last time 2017 में nail extensions किया था. 4 years I am getting it done. I'm really excited. Let's see how it turns out. Around a good 3 hours to get done and I'm so hungry. So I thought कि मैं Starbucks में आके एक sandwich खा लूँगी. I just have one more errand to do before I reach home. So I'll reach home and then start Ved को dinner खिलाऊँगी and I'm good for dinner. This is like a big enough sandwich. So and then yeah, that's it. I will call it a day. I'll watch something on Netflix and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning then. Are we reading story? What story?
Ring story that's blue.
You mean the bedtime story book? Okay. Do we read storybook every day? Who reads you stories?
Mama.
Can you give a mama kishi, please? Mama kishi. Good night.
Good night.
See you
Bye.
tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. So it's 30th of December. मैंने अभी वेद को ड्रॉप किया है स्कूल में and quite honestly it's going to be a very very exciting day. I have too much work to achieve. So there is an update. There is a sudden vacation that has been planned. And the surprises we are meeting Praveen, but we are not meeting in India and we are not going to a place where Praveen is working. So the place is going to be a surprise for you guys and I cannot wait to see I just cannot wait to see the reaction on Ved's face tomorrow when he sees Praveen. So I have to accomplish a lot today. I've already given my RT-PCR test and waiting for the results to come. Then I have to pack and I have to do some more printing work and stuff like that. So let's see how the day goes by. So it's around 2:15 in the afternoon. Quite honestly मैं सुबह को इतना भाग दौड़ मचा रही थी कि मुझे बिल्कुल ब्लॉग करने का टाइम नहीं मिला. सो द थिंग इज़ अभी वेद को स्कूल से लेके आई हूँ, उसको लंच खिलाया है और अब मैं अपने सारे पेपर वर्क फिनिश करूँगी. मेरे RT-PCR का रिज़ल्ट भी आ चुका है. ऑफ कोर्स इट्स नेगेटिव, सो आई कैन ट्रैवल सेफली एंड हैप्पीली. And there are some government guidelines which I need to fill up the form and stuff like that. So I'm going to finish that, go for a printout, and then I will start packing. Alright, so we are all set to travel tomorrow morning. It's 9:45 in the night and I'm exhausted. मैंने finally सब कुछ पैक कर लिया है. Just wanted to quickly show you guys कि क्या क्या पैक करा है. So this is like a small bag which is more like a multi-purpose bag, and that's the main luggage bag. This is the lightest I can travel. So the destination that we are traveling to is more like a beach. तो थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा पैक किया है. So this is like a mosquito thing, and this is more like a medical packet for Ved. These are certain medicines which I'm carrying for Praveen from India. Extra mask, some diapers, and this is a surface sanitizer for the quick sanitization of suitcases once we reach the destination. And on this side, this is Ved's favorite software without which वो सो नहीं सकता है. So I'm carrying Simba Jimba, and these are certain clothes which Praveen wanted from India, so I'm carrying them for him. In the main suitcase, this side belongs to Ved and this side belongs to me. I am obviously carrying some toys, his favorite trucks and truck tractors, some beach toys, coloring book, a jacket. Now I know it's funny, जहाँ पे जा रहे हैं काफ़ी गर्मी होगी, but I'm just still carrying a jacket. And of course I'm carrying some extra clothes. So like we are staying there for like 4 nights, so I'm carrying like 5 pairs of each. 5 pairs of night suits, 5 pairs of full shirts, half shirts, chaddis and stuff like that. And this of course is my side. So I always take like one skincare bag, one makeup, and it's like minimal makeup. And this is like my laundry and swimwear bag. I keep it separate. Some tops and skirts and one single short, and some dresses because again it's a beachy place, so I'm carrying a lots of dresses. And that's about it. These two are the only luggage bags that I'm carrying. These are the bags that we are gonna have it in our hand, and this is the most important bag. So I've prepared like 2 folders if you see, जिसमें हमारे tickets हैं and of course our papers and stuff like that. This is my tripod which I am carrying for vlogging of course, and again the mask that I am carrying. This is Vedu's bag, his socks and mask which I have kept it ready for the morning. He's already sleeping with his clothes on, तो मैं उसको literally रात के 2:30 बजे गोदी में उठा के as it is ले जाऊंगी. I've kept little snack for him. I've kept little snack. His water bottle is here, and of course, wait, let me open the bag and show you what I'm carrying for him. So I'm carrying 2 bananas, an extra jacket again, extra pair of clothes, and 4-5 diapers, and I'm also carrying a hide and seek packet. So I'm gonna close the night by having my favorite green tea, which is Girna's Desi Kawa green tea, and thanks to Juhi for getting me hooked onto this. I have put on some oil and I look absolutely champu. I'm gonna take a shower at around 12 or so and then go to bed. For now I'm going to enjoy my favorite Big Bang Theory. I'm so relaxed कि सब packing हो गया है. I think last 2 days have just gone in a jiffy, especially जैसे ही हमें पता चला कि ये trip plan हुआ है. I was just running around getting things done, and now I am so excited to share the whole trip with you guys. Not sure how much I'll be able to vlog it, but I definitely want to share this experience with you guys. I'm a little nervous because I'm traveling alone with Ved, but I'm also very excited. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. It's a simple weekday vlog with me, how it has been, and I'm really glad I could share this with you. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Hope you like the chocolate cookie recipe. Do let me know in the comment section below if you have tried that, because it's super simple. And see you guys for my next vlog in a new destination. Bye bye, take care.